OPPO FIND X7 Pro 5G. .8-inch LTPO4 type display and Dolby Vision, 120 Hz refresh rate. Resolution 1440 x 3088 pixels, 2500 nits brightness. Under display fingerprint scanner, ultrasonic and quick response. .25 front punch hole selfie camera, 4K OIS video recording. 200 MP primary camera, 8x optical zoom and 8K video recording. Corning Gorilla Glass Vit is protected. .12 GB and 16 GB of RAM. .256 GB and 512 GB internal storage. Dual SIM slot, SIM 1 plus SIM 2 support, no micro SD card option available here. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3/ next level performance. Lower, USB Type-C, fast charging, port, microphone, dual speaker tuned by Dolby Atmos. 5300 mAh powerful PD battery support. 120W fast charging. Operating system, Android V14, One UI 6.0. Expected launch on 2023. Like, comment and please subscribe. Thank you for watching video.